I'm here at Guaranty RV. I'm JD. Today we're looking at a 198 Murphy bed. And it's a 2020 version. We just got them in. We're going to start on the outside and work our way in. In the front, we are going to get a nice power front jack, two 5-gallon propane tanks, and you would get 2 batteries in the back of that. We're going to get a nice front cap, a good skid plate with 2 LEDs down the sides, so at nighttime you can actually see what you're doing. And then for the pass-through, you are going to get a nice size pass-through. I could probably lay in there. And then you have an LED strip down there as well. And then over the top, we got a nice awning with an LED strip down it, a nice little handle, and then we got 2 marine grade speakers. So if you like to jam, you can outside. We're gonna get another nice little pass through, a little more storage, fishing poles, anything you got. We're gonna get a spare tire on the far back, and we're gonna be pre-wired for a backup camera. And then on this side, we're going to get the other side of the storage. It's going to be a little bigger. And then right underneath, we're going to get the black tank. And then on this side, we're going to get the gray tank. And then above that, we're going to get basically the satellite, the cable, the power, and all the water ports. And then we got the other side of the pass-through up in the front. And then we're going to get the solar panel kit plug-in there. And then headed to the inside. We are gonna walk straight into the Murphy bed spot. We are gonna have a nice little couch. It is very comfortable, beautiful view of the TV. And then when you're ready for bed, it's super easy. You pop that up, you pull that, and then you're down. Super quick and easy. You got the USB plugins up above that. You still get your storage, and then you also have a window that does open by your basically by your head, so you got some airflow. And then on this side, you're gonna get your kitchen with a big open sink, the 3 stove burner, and then we're gonna get a nice small microwave and oven. And then before we go too far, we got a good sized bathroom. If you're 6 foot tall, you can actually stand up in there. And in the far back, we're gonna have a nice little hangout lounge, wraparound dinette. You can easily get 4 people here and be comfortable. And then you also have all these big windows that do open on all the way around. So you're not gonna feel like you're kind of locked in and kind of closed in. You do have storage all the way underneath here. But if we have questions, give me a call, give me a text at 541-954-4683. Thanks, guys.